Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve inequalities, and I have to say they are actually quite similar to solving regular equations. So our first inequality is 2x minus 4 is smaller than or equal to 10. Okay, so just like you would with an equation, we have to isolate for x. So we have to add 4 to both sides to cancel 4 out. So we get 2x is smaller than or equal to 10 plus 4 is 14. Now, just like a regular equation, we have to divide by 2 to isolate x right here. So x is smaller than or equal to 7. So this is the solution to our inequality, but what is this on a number line? So if you draw your number line, and this is 0, I like to put it just to see where we stand, and here is 7. So on our number line, the solution to this inequality is, what is it? So we can see that this inequality sign right here is smaller than or equal to, which means that 7 is included in this solution set. So we will do a closed circle. And we see that any number smaller than 7 is also included in this inequality. So the solution to this inequality is 7 and any number smaller than it. So now if we look at another example, which is negative x plus 2 is greater than 4, we can continue doing the same thing, just solving like an equation. So negative x is greater than 4 minus 2 is 2. And we can see now that there's a negative coefficient of x. So we want to get x. We don't want to get negative x. So we can just divide by negative 1 because there's an invisible 1 right here multiplying x. And divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. This is where an inequality is different than an equation. So in an equation, we just say, x is greater than negative 2. In an inequality, anytime you divide by a negative coefficient, you have to reverse the direction of the inequality sign. So it would be x, this is positive x now, is smaller than negative 2. That's a very important thing to remember about inequalities. That is their key difference. The key difference between an inequality and an equation. So what's this on the number line? Here's our number line. Here's 0. Here is negative 2. So is negative 2 included in the solution set? No, because there's no equal sign. It is specifically any number that is smaller than negative 2. So we will do an open circle. We will not fill in the circle. In the 7, we filled in the circle because it was included. And then any number that's smaller than negative 2 will also work because x is smaller than negative 2. So the solution set to this inequality is any number smaller than negative 2. So this circle, a circle that is not filled in, shows that this number is not included in the number line. Some people also do a parentheses like this way, showing that this number is not included. And also like I did here, some people do a circle. And to show that it is included, you can do a filled in circle, or you can do a parentheses the other way. So this is how to solve simple inequalities. I hope it helped and helped you understand how to solve them.